Hey, we should go on an adventure.
That'd be awesome.
Where could we go?
We go to Africa, the motherland, birth of civilization.
Then we can play with the monkeys.
Okay.
Monkey tracks. We must be getting close.
Hey, look, that monkey's hurt.
He's bleeding all over the place. Let's bring him to a vet.
Yeah, dude, that's a good idea. We should take you to a vet.
Yeah.
Robbie, be careful. That monkey might have Ebola or something.
Oh, it bit me!
Is he okay?
Are you
okay?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, we gotta put this monkey out of his misery.
No, wait!
Oh, I got my eyes and mouth! Oh! God!
I think the blood got in my mouth.
It's for a good cause.
We need to get Robbie to a hospital.
Don't worry, let's just get back to America.
And Africa was crazy.
Yeah, I just don't really want to talk about it right now.
Guys, I'm not feeling so well.
Robbie, come on.
Let's get
Let's get on out. Come on, let's go.
Hurry!
Come on.
Come on,
Robbie,
hurry.
we're almost there. Come on, hurry up. Go through the door. Robbie, get in the bathtub. Get in the bathtub. Come on. This is wet. Yeah, he bled to death. It had to have been that bloody monkey that bit him. The blood got into him, causing this. It's what we've all learned. It's Ebola. It's what I've come to fear the most. It's Ebola.
When you shot that monkey, it got into our mouths too.
Oh, I got my eyes and mouth! Oh, God.
I'm starting to feel it. I think we should call the government.
No, we're not calling the government. We're not making this a wide mayhem. And people are gonna go everywhere. Crazy everywhere. We have to go to the cabin in the woods and contain this ourselves. We're going to the woods. We're quarantining ourselves.
Come on, the cabin's right there. Come on.
Come on.
Come on, lay down.
Hello?
Hello? We need help.
Oh yeah, this is the government. Ebola? Oh yeah, sure.
We're in a cabin in the 100-acre woods, and we need help immediately. Please come. Please, before it's too late. Please.
100-acre woods? All right, yeah, we'll get someone down there right away.
Bush administration! Oh my God!
So young. So brave. So handsome. Oh yeah, she's dead too.
This is the Bush administration saying, don't play with Ebola.
Cracker.
Yeah, but it got into us when you shot him too.
Oh, he's alive! He's alive! Shut up, Robbie!
I wish I could find that monkey again.
Come back here! Remember, kids, always wear a condom or you'll end up like me, dead!